What is MATLAB? Why learn it in 2025? What do SpaceX rockets, self-driving cars, and Wall Street trading algorithms have in common? They all use MATLAB. Assalamu alaikum, I am Fawad Usman, and in this new MATLAB Beginner Series, I will teach you how to use MATLAB from scratch, even you have been never coded before. So grab your notebook and let's get started. What is MATLAB? MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory. It is a high-level programming language designed for engineers, scientists, and students to solve technical and mathematical problems easily. It's different from other languages like Python or Java. In MATLAB, your code looks like math equations and run faster for scientific calculations. What can you do with MATLAB? Solve engineering equations, analyze data and plot graphs, design control systems, AI and deep learning, train machine learning models, create GUI, and even connect to Arduino. Why learn MATLAB in 2025? MATLAB, you might wonder, is MATLAB still worth learning? Yes, and here is why. I give you some reasons. Industry demand. First of all, industry demand. MATLAB is used in aerospace, automotive, robotics, finance, and even AI. Search MATLAB on LinkedIn or Indeed, you will find thousands of jobs related to MATLABs. Easy to learn. You don't need higher programming knowledge. MATLAB syntax is simple and math-based, perfect for beginners. Toolboxes. MATLAB have a built-in toolboxes. You can see here. Whether you are working with AI, image processing, or signal analysis, MATLAB has built-in toolboxes that make it super easy. Hold up University Toolbar, text box, or syllabus that includes MATLAB and electrical or mechanical engineering, and also CS students, computer science students. Real-world applications in MATLAB. Let's take a look at where MATLAB is used in real world and real life. Number one, self-driving cars, AI training using Simulink, medical research, ECG signal processing, finance, stock prediction using time series models. Number four, electrical engineering, power transformer, fault analysis like in GUI Projects. Number five, Arduino and sensor control systems. And yes, you will learn how to build many of these systems and trees in this series. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me. Type rocket if you are excited to learn in MATLAB. Share your field, electrical, mechanics, mechanical, finance. Tailor future videos on your comments. Don't be shy, I will read and reply to even comment this early stage. In next video, I will install MATLAB step by step, including how to get free alternative if you are a student or just getting started. So hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any part of this series. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and I will see you in the next video.